Okay, please. Too much going on with that. Your name?
My name is Tanisha Morris. Diamond G is my daughter.
Yeah, I got the note. I'm gonna go ahead and adjourn it. She's going to have to bring proof.
Yeah,
She's gonna have to bring proof.
okay.
So I will, I need another page of a register, second page. We're gonna give you a new date. Lisa, I'll just let you figure out the date down the hall there, whether it's, I'd like to do it next week anyway, okay?
Okay, we'll do the 14th.
All right, so we'll give you a copy of the notice. Good luck with all of that, okay? Thank you. Good,
Have a good day.
good luck. You too. I'm just gonna write on this register and leave it to you, okay, Lisa, to
Okay, I'll take care of it.
take this thing about adjourn. C letter. Dependent in hospital. Son. All right, so that's what I'll do. It's August 14th, you said, right?
Yes, at 8:30.
At 8:30. Okay, all right. All right, so people against WADA, Caitlin Brianna WADA, 25T645-767. Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good.
I don't usually see people coming to court so bubbly. It's good to see. But you got to slow down though, okay?
I know.
You're going to slow down, right?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, because if you don't, next time you come here, I can't give you impeding, okay?
I know.
So that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Irresponsible.
Irresponsible? Is that what you said?
Responsible?
Responsible?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
All right, 170 is your total. I'll
Okay.
dismiss the traffic signal. You can go down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks. Brock, Marquetta Denise Brock, 25T645906. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name?
Mark,
All right, so you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? Responsible or not responsible to that? I'm sorry?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea. Speeding's dismissed, 150. You're all set. Cash, you're into the hall. Best of luck. Maurice Sivan Simpkins, 25W839179. Could I have Kim Gilsbatch seated up at the table, my right, your left, please? Your name, sir?
Maurice Savant, sir.
Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Plea is accepted. Let me just double check something. Yeah, 150 is your total. Cash, you're into the hall.
Okay, got it. 2 weeks I was paying my son.
Sure.
$2,200.
No problem. August 19th, you can pay by?
Yes, sir.
If you don't have the money somehow, call the court, go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension. Just don't ignore me. Honor before the due date, okay?
Yes, sir.
Best of luck.
All right, shoot, go down there.
You don't have to go anywhere. You can leave the building. Just August 19th, you have to pay by.
Thank you.
Good luck. Kim Marie Gilsbach, 25W839-148. Your name, ma'am? All right, so you're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
Responsible or not responsible to that? Please accepted, 155, cash your end of the hall to your right, and you're all set. Original charge dismissed. Elise Ann Cosby, 24B147119. Could I have Luke Williams seated at the table over here? You can come up to the podium, Ms. Cosby, state your name.
Elisa Ann Cosby.
All right, you're charged with failure to refrain from having contact direct or indirect with Justin Cole and his immediate family. That is the charge. To plead guilty, if you're found guilty, this is a non-technical violation, a violation of the no contact provision. Your probation could be revoked and you could be incarcerated for a period of 90 days with your 771 status revoked and the conviction entered. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Did you sign the advice of rights?
yes,
Did you read it?
Yes,
Do you understand it?
yes,
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing nor a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, either way, I'll appoint you one at public expense. Do you understand me?
yes.
Would you like a lawyer?
I have one,
Who is it?
Steve, Max Dubin and Steve, but he couldn't be here today because, his newborn baby's in intensive care.
Geez, that's too bad. Why didn't you just call and get an adjournment? I would have given you adjournment. You drove all the way from Johannesburg?
No, I've been down here.
You hired Mr. Dubin to represent you on this?
Well, I spoke with him yesterday. I spoke with him a few days ago, and yes, we were supposed to meet to retain.
I didn't ask you that. Did you pay him retainer money?
Not yet, because of his emergency situation with his baby.
All right. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea for you. You'll hire Mr. Dubin. I'll make a note, right? That's what you're going to do?
Yes,
I'll give you a new court date, and I'll give you a personal bond. You have to comply with all terms and conditions of probation, okay?
yes,
All right, personal bond, $500. Comply with all terms and conditions of probation. We'll give you a new date, which will be on
August 14th at 9:30.
August the 14th at 9:30, okay? So I'm entering a not guilty plea for you. I want to be clear about that. You go down the hall, get your notice, and we'll see you here then. Any questions?
no, thank you.
All right, good luck. Kenneth Jerome Luke Williams Jr., 25F243686. Your name?
Kenneth Jerome Quinn.
You're charged with failure to pay $305. If you plead guilty, if you're found guilty, you could be incarcerated, $309 actually. You could be incarcerated 1 day for every $10 owed. You could receive 31 days in jail. You can satisfy that in full by payment, in full by serving a jail term, or in part by payment, and in part by serving a jail term. You get $10 credit per day served. So if you paid $209, you'd owe $100, you'd only have to serve 10 days. You understand that?
Yeah.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, you can apply for one at public expense. Actually, I'll just give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Home City Ice.
I'm sorry?
Home City Ice.
Where is that, and what is that?
Pinehurst, New Jersey. Deliver ice.
Okay. How much do you make?
So we 24 hours.
Why didn't you pay this?
Because when I got pulled over, I have I was doing DoorDash at that point. So I had a amount on my phone, and the officer, it was raining that day.
You didn't show up. You didn't do anything. You lost. If you're gonna try to contest the ticket, you have to post a bond.
Oh,
You don't just not pay a ticket or not show up because you disagree. Is that what you're telling me? You disagree with what he wrote?
No, I called today. They told me that my court date was today.
The ticket was issued in April. You had 10 days to answer. Hang on. You had 10 days to answer. This is August. That's 4 months ago. You needed to call and request a hearing or pay the ticket within 10 days. You did neither. You went into default. So if you're saying you didn't pay the ticket because you didn't agree with the citation, that ship has sailed. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't know that, sir. But I didn't know. I wasn't aware. The address that they had, I moved from, so they told me they sent it to work. They told me.
You got the ticket, right?
Yes, I had a ticket. I called and I set up a court date. And then.
You can set up a court. Did he set up a court date, Lisa?
Yes, I called.
Let's slow down. Slow down. I'm gonna see where he set up a court date.
Let me
Nope.
check, Judge.
They would have come in front of me. Did you leave a forwarding address?
Yeah, it's an address.
Hang on, slow down. I'm just asking, did you leave a forwarding address?
No,
Do you live on, whatever 2377 is in Hamtramck?
yes, that's where I live now.
We sent you this back in June.
Judge, it looks like a default card came back in return mail with a forwarding address.
I'll give you a choice. I'll give you a choice. You go down and post a bond if you want equivalent to the amount here. That's the rule. And you can make a motion to set aside default judgment, or I'll set you up on a payment plan. Whatever you want.
That's a payment plan, I pay whatever today.
You can pay whatever.
Yeah, I can pay a certain amount down.
How much do you have today?
I feel like a couple of
So you want to just take care of it that way?
yeah. But I still get points on my, like I said, I got my money.
I can't do anything about the conviction at this point. Okay? But I will do this. If that's the route you want to go, I'll just have you pay $200 and I'll call it a day. I'll waive the balance. You want to do that?
Yes.
You understand the conviction's going to remain on your record, though. Balance waived, $200. Go down the hall, take care of that, and we'll call it a day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Good luck. White, David White. David Michael White, 25W839022. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name?
David White.
You look like a lawyer. Are you a lawyer?
No, I get interviewed at business.
All right, well, good luck with that.
I appreciate that.
All right, so what are we doing? You're pleading to impeding traffic, right?
Yes.
What happened here? Wait a minute. No, you didn't show.
It was originally scheduled for July 8th and.
Let me see something. Give me 1 minute here. Oh, I said motion to set aside default judge. I see. Did you meet with the department rep today?
I did before I came in here, yes.
You met with the department rep? I don't know why you didn't send anything in here. Who'd you meet with? Well, I don't have anything in here. So, did I miss something? Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Can you do me a favor and take this to Lieutenant Toller for me, please?
Of course.
I don't see any stip form in here on this case.
I can do that for you.
Thank you very much. Have a seat right at the table there. Cassidy Angeline Reardon, 25F244405. Oh, I'm sorry, officer.
Yes, sir.
That needs to go in that file. My apologies. Ma'am, your name?
Cassidy.
All right, so you met with the department rep. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible to that charge?
responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea, 150, you're all set, okay? Original charge dismissed.
Thank you.
You all right?
Yeah.
You look scared. Good luck.
Thank you.
Martin, Ray Christopher Martin, 25F244339. Your name, sir?
Ray Martin.
All right, so you met with the department rep and you're going to plead responsible, excuse me, to impeding traffic, true?
Sure.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you got insurance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got 3 of those on your record. You aware of that?
I was going through a rough spot financially, but I've been insured for about 2 years.
All right, I'll accept the plea, dismiss the original charge, 155, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. Crystal Martin? Crystal, I just didn't see a slip form in there.
That's okay, it just got turned around backwards.
Oh.
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
That's all right. Crystal Nicole Martin, 25F243723. Your name, ma'am?
Crystal Martin.
You're charged with a failure to pay. This is a show cause, excuse me, for failure to pay $213. If I find you didn't pay and your failure to pay was not without your fault, you could be held in contempt and jailed 1 day for every $10 owed. You get 22 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You want water? You have all the money?
Yes.
Why'd you wait so long?
Just busy. I work the nights.
What's that?
I work the nights, just busy.
Busy.
Yeah.
You gotta take care of your tickets, okay? You cost yourself more money.
Definitely.
I'll cut it down to 185, balance waived, okay? Down the hall and take care of that. Good luck.
Thank you.
Next time, call the court, deal with it, okay?
Thank you, yeah.
O'Neill, Tyler Aiden O'Neill, 25W839210. Your name?
Tyler O'Neill.
Gotta be careful, you caused an accident, right?
Yes, sir.
To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accept the original charge dismissed 195. Cashier under the hall to your right. Good luck. People against David White, 25W39022. Your name?
David White.
You're gonna plead to impeding. I have it now, okay? I don't know how I missed it, but at any rate, to the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
How much of a bond did you post?
Paying the line fee. Ticket.
How much bond did he post, Lisa? Can you tell me?
I believe it was 165, but let me look real quick.
Okay.
Yeah, 165.
All right, so I'll accept the plea. I'll set aside the default judgment. Fines and costs are 165. Just go down the hall and take care of that, okay? I don't know whose name it is. I don't see a bond receipt, so. Pardon?
He actually paid it instead of posting as a bond, so he's all set.
I see. So you're all set. You can leave.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Caitlin Marie Poor, 25W839-149.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your name?
Caitlin Moore.
I can't take this. You got 4 moving violations, it looks like, in the last 5 years. So you can either plead to 30 and a 25, which is a 1-pointer, or you can set it for an informal hearing, whatever you want to do.
I'll take the point.
To the charge 30 and a 25, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'm gonna accept your plea, 135 is your total, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck. All right, Daniel Condon, Daniel Edward Condon, 25W838531. Your name?
Daniel Cotton.
Why'd you wait so long to come and talk to me?
What do you mean, sir?
Your ticket was issued in April.
No, I know, I set up a payment plan wrong and I just forgot about it. I received another ticket and I paid it.
How much do you have today?
Sorry?
How much do you have today?
I can't pay anything today. Your
Where do you
Honor.
work at?
I need to request more time.
Where do you work at?
I work at Manheim Auto Auction. I was working through a temp service making 19. They made me hire in for $5 less. So I'm making $5 less an hour.
When can you pay this?
If you could give me as much time as possible,
Do you get paid weekly or bi-weekly?
weekly. But the next 2 weeks I have to pay my insurance and my car payment.
You pay $35 per week, beginning August 25th. Can you do that?
I'll make it happen.
If you don't have the money somehow, you call the court or come in here on or before the due date. Call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you come in here on or before the due date. I'll be glad to work with you, okay?
You said August 25th?
Correct, that's a Monday.
Okay.
That's 2.5, almost 3 weeks, all
All
right?
right, thank you.
Good luck. Amy Nicole Zugaj. Two four T 702-732. Is there a Emily Pardo here? Is anybody here that resides on Maidstone in Trenton on this case? Okay, your name?
In Nichols, okay?
It's, okay. Okay. Nobody's objected. So I'll just indicate, you staying out of trouble?
Yes, sir. I learned my lesson.
Good. There being no objection and you having been compliant, defendant granted early discharge from probation. You are all set.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're gonna send you that paperwork and you should have it the next few days, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Best of luck. Thanks. All right. Dean Allen Langle. 25T645958. Your name, sir?
Dean Lancho.
Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
Correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Please accepted. 160 is your total. Cash your end of the hall. You're all set. Best of luck. Brad Allen Newick. How you doing?
Okay.
25T645787. Good morning. Your name?
Brad, another.
Okay, you're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Please accepted. 195. You're all set. Original charge dismissed. Good luck. Cash your end of the hall. You're right. Thanks. Barbito. Christopher Joseph Barbito, 25T646004. How you doing there?
How are you?
Your name?
Christopher Barbito.
All right. Got a coat on and everything, huh, Mr. Barbito?
Yes, sir.
Good for you. You're going to plead to, this is a commercial vehicle charge, huh? Why are you driving so fast?
There's really no reason for it, honestly.
All right, you're going to plead to impeding?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, 185, cash your end of the hall to your right. Be careful, please. Slow down, all right?
I will.
Good luck. 2, Beisel. Joshua Daniel Beisel, 5B148957. Mr. Beisel, your name?
Joshua Daniel Beisel. 25B 148957.
5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957. 5B 148957
All right, let's talk about that. This session with Judge Michael K. McNally was a blend of high-volume traffic cases, a few more serious probation matters, and some genuinely human moments that gave the morning its rhythm. From the start, McNally kept the docket moving, calling cases in quick succession but never making the process feel mechanical. Defendants facing impeding traffic pleas were the mainstay, and the judge's style here was classic: verify the plea, dismiss the original moving violation, set a fine, and send them on their way with a parting good luck. Even so, there was room for personality. When one bubbly defendant pled responsible but initially blurted out irresponsible, the judge didn't miss a beat teasing just enough to break the tension before moving on. Those small, quick quips are part of why these hearings stay approachable. On the probation side, things slowed down a bit. In one case involving a no-contact violation, the judge made sure the defendant understood the stakes: potential jail time and revocation, while also working around her absent attorney's family emergency. He entered an acquittal plea to protect her rights and set a new date, showing both procedural care and a human touch. Payment plan discussions came up more than once, with McNally willing to negotiate weekly amounts or push deadlines if defendants were upfront about their situations. A notable example was a man who'd gone into default on a ticket because he'd moved. The judge cut the balance down to $200 and closed the matter, making it clear the conviction would stay but avoiding a harsher outcome. There were also moments of subtle courtroom humor. A defendant, bundled up in a coat on a warm day, got a good for you from the bench, and another who joked about his own driving habits got a firm but light "please slow down" in return. Even when admonishing, McNally kept it even-toned, focusing on behavior, not character. The atmosphere overall was calm and efficient, punctuated by brief exchanges that reminded everyone this was still a room full of people, not just case numbers. For defendants with multiple moving violations, the judge offered options: plead to a lower point offense or set a hearing, making sure they understood the trade-offs. For those failing to pay, he explained the jail credit system in plain language before finding solutions that avoided incarceration when possible. What stood out most was the consistency. Whether it was a simple traffic plea, a scheduling tangle, or a probation review, McNally balanced the letter of the law with an awareness of circumstance. By the end, cases were resolved, fines set or adjusted, and defendants left knowing exactly where they stood. Another day's docket cleared with just enough levity to keep it human. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.